Hey guys, this is super simple. It's taken off my rear tire, Firebolt. It's a 05 XB12R. It's, like I said, super simple. You'll have to undo your axle. There's a bolt underneath. It's your pinch bolt. You'll loosen it. You'll loosen the axle. It's 7/8. You'll loosen it till it's kind of free, and your belt will loosen up. Once the belt's loosened up, you take the pulley off. It's 9/16 2 bolts, and it just pops right off. Then you can come back to the back. I had to remove my lower belt guard. You loosen your axle the rest of the way, and I mean, it's so simple that the whole thing just comes out. Extra set of hands help sometimes. Boom, axle's out. Let's take this belt off. Hang it up there over the foot guard. I don't even take my brakes off. As you can see, I still have the brake caliper on it. It just takes a little bit of a twist and a finagle right here, and the back tire comes completely out. So my tire is off. Reverse the steps to put it back on. It's really easy. And I took my tire off, popped it myself, broke the bead, switched tires.